Hey guys, how's it going? Happy day 4 of Vlogmas, December 4th. So earlier today I posted yesterday's video or today's video. I don't know, I'm getting confused about like what day. Anyway, and I was noticing my little background here, you know, the typical background. It's just not very Christmassy, and you know, this is supposed to be Vlogmas, so I thought I should spruce up this little area. First things first, let me give you a hint. Dun 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 dun, ah! Got a new friend, his name is Douglas. Actually, he's not a Douglas fir. He is, I don't know why he's a he just decided to be a he. He is a Norwegian spruce. Fun fact, it was the original Christmas tree, Norwegian spruce, apparently. It doesn't smell super Christmassy, but that's okay. It's just a pot size. I just wanted something small because 1, cheaper. 2, I like the idea of it being in a pot. Like that seems cool, so we can keep it. I don't know if it's really gonna like last. I don't know how that's gonna work, but might as well try at least. I got a few other little decorational type of things. Some lights. I don't know, I thought they looked kind of cool. We'll see if they actually look cool. Got a candle. It smells like Christmas. Apparently I've gone for like a geometric theme because then I got some ornaments, got some little star thingies, and got some batteries. I wanted to get a lot more things, but actually sometimes when I see all this kind of crafty type of stuff, I just feel like I want to make it myself instead of just buying stuff that's already made, and I thought I could use the materials that I already have. I want to try and make some bunting, you know, like the I thought I could use wrapping paper for that, because like, why not? And I already had it. Or I also have some green fabric that maybe I can use. And I have already some twine. I'm listening to some royalty-free Christmas music, so if it's bad, that's why. All right, let's do this. Bye, plant. You go back to your home. Now I'm going to cut a piece of this fabric to go kind of on the front of this so it looks a little bit nicer. It's pretty good, it's pretty good. It'll do for now. The next thing that I want to work on is the bunting. I've never made bunting before, but I imagine it's not that hard. Basically, I'm gonna make a lot of triangles and then I will hang them on twine. I'm trying to do as much as I can before Nick gets home. Then I can do like a grand reveal. That's the plan. I'm gonna use my chocolate wrapper to make the cardboard to make a little like template. Oh yeah, so while I remember, I wanted to say, I have a really hard time knowing what time to upload videos because people watch in New Zealand and people watch in the US and then UK, other places in the world, and I don't know like the perfect time where everyone is awake. I'm having a really struggle with that, and I feel like I've tried different things, but I don't really know. It's so hard to tell. So it would really be awesome if you could help me out and leave in the comments below what your ideal YouTube watch time would be. And maybe you can do a different time for Monday through Friday and then a different one for the weekend. Or whenever you usually watch YouTube videos. That would be so helpful to me because I just have no idea. And then make sure to say where you live, otherwise it won't be relevant. I'm trying to come up with the perfect time for everyone, but it is hard. So if you want to make sure you see all the videos, then please turn on notifications so that you can know when a video is out. Otherwise the videos just get lost in the abyss. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And if you really like any video, then please share it with someone because that really helps too. Also, real fast, I just want to say I really enjoy having this tree here. It makes me feel really happy. Got my bunting cut, and then we will glue the little pieces onto this. Yeah, finished the bunting. Woo. Now to hang it up. Since I just rent this apartment, I'm not allowed to put holes in the walls, so I have to use these little, like, you know, those sticky ones, but I have these ones that are like, so hopefully that's gonna work. I think it will. Now for these. Yeah, what do you think of the lights and the bunting? Looks pretty good, I think. Next will be to decorate the tree, but I think I might wait for Nick so we can do it together, because how cute is that? I also got a few little Christmas snacks that him and I can have, so cool. When I used to decorate the tree with my family, we would always have chocolate milk and popcorn while we were decorating, so I didn't make chocolate milk, but I got one of Nick's favorite chocolate milks. It's Lewis Road Creamery with Whitaker's. I've seen these at the supermarket before, but I've never tried them, and I thought, like, hey, I guess these are a New Zealand Christmas treat. They're Christmas mince tarts, but not like mince meat. I don't know, they're sweet, I think. I have no idea what they taste like, but I thought, like, might as well try them. Okay, we're all set for Nick. Hopefully he comes soon.
What's going on?
We got a little Christmas tree.
We do.
Did you expect this?
No, I did not. Look what you done.
I thought we could decorate the tree together while eating some Christmas treats.
Sounds like my kind of activity.
Okay. We switched into holiday appropriate colors.
Yeah. Fucking hell.
Oh, cheers.
Cheers.
So, are these a New Zealand thing?
Mince pies.
Yeah?
Yeah, they are.
Okay, well I've never tried one before.
Oh, you haven't?
Should we try it? Yeah.
Head up.
Okay.
Mmm.
It kind of reminds me of like a Christmas spiced fig Newton. Have you had a fig Newton before? Ah. So did you have any Christmas traditions?
Primary school, I think we used to, me and my brothers used to have to make decorations, so by the time we got a bit older, our tree was just covered in flattened, different forms of flattened kids made decorations, so our tree always looked pretty random.
Classic.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think, my tree at home always was like random ornaments as well.
Yeah.
But I like that better, like when they all have kind of like meaning, and you know, some people have the trees that are like super decorated, like all one color scheme.
Yeah.
We never had a tree like that.
No, neither.
And sometimes I feel like decorating the tree could be like contentious.
Oh
moments.
yeah. Who gets to put the top one on?
I have a fun Nick fact.
Uh-oh.
Nick's parents, when he was younger, owned a Christmas tree farm.
It's true.
Right?
Yeah, we used to sell Christmas trees.
That's pretty interesting.
Yeah.
And there it is. Well, that was good. Holiday decorations done. Mostly. Maybe I'll get some more for the rest of the place. I just did this one corner.
Looks good though.
Looks pretty good.
This is awesome.
Thank you.
Fabric.
Could have probably used the iron, but hey. Alright, well, I hope you guys like the new background. You're going to be seeing it in a lot of videos coming up in the next couple weeks. And maybe I'll add more stuff to it as I go along if I find more things that I like. Or maybe I'll make some more things. Ooh. I do have an idea to make stockings. I want to make Christmas sweaters. So many things I want to make, so stay tuned. Thanks guys for watching, and hope you enjoyed this little Christmas decoration video. I feel really Christmassy now. I feel like we're really set the mood for the rest of the month. I'm excited. And subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. There's going to be so many more to come this month. I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, bye.